You've probably heard a lot about improved car safety. Well, here's the absolute proof of what a huge improvement there's been in crash protection in regular cars in Europe. This is a Ford Fiesta from 1998. We've got a 20-year plus model here. This is the latest Ford Fiesta. The two cars crashed together at 40 miles an hour, 64 kilometers an hour, and the results are spectacularly different. This car, the body shell has collapsed. The occupant area has caved in on the driver. The risk of fatal and serious injury is extremely high. This car, the body shell is intact. All the airbags have gone off perfectly. There's just a crack in the windscreen. This is an entirely survivable crash. This one, a fatal crash. This is all the result of improved crash test standards that came into force in 1998 across the EU. And we've seen benefit after benefit, year after year. Tens of thousands of people have survived these kind of crashes because of these EU crash test standards.